The town that flooded backwards. In a quiet corner of the world, nestled in a valley surrounded by towering mountains, there was a town that had always been protected by the steady flow of a river. It was a lifeline for the community, a symbol of peace, and a reminder of nature's power. But one fateful night, that power turned on the town itself. The dam that held the river back, a massive structure built to control its flow, had been standing for decades. It was meant to keep the water in check, preventing flooding during heavy rains and snowmelt. But on that night, something went terribly wrong. The dam, weakened by years of wear and tear, finally gave way. A crack appeared, and with it, a rush of water that would change everything. What followed was something no one could have predicted. The river, once flowing calmly down the valley, began to rise. Slowly at first, then more rapidly, as if the very earth had decided to reverse the river's natural course. The water didn't just flow downhill, it started to creep upwards, defying everything the townspeople had known about the land and the forces that governed it. Panic spread quickly as the town's residents realized what was happening. The streets, once dry and safe, began to flood, but not in the way anyone had ever seen. Instead of water rushing down the familiar paths, it surged uphill, creeping toward the highest points of the town. Homes were swallowed up, gardens destroyed, and roads turned into rivers. People scrambled to higher ground, but the water was relentless, rising faster than they could move. In the chaos, the town's once peaceful river became a symbol of devastation. It was no longer a source of life. It was a force of nature turned against its people. As the hours passed, the flooding continued its strange, unnatural course, leaving behind a trail of destruction that no one could have foreseen. The town that had once been safe and secure was now a ghost of itself, left to pick up the pieces of a disaster that no one had ever imagined. Yet, in the face of this unimaginable event, the community came together. Neighbors helped each other, families found shelter, and through it all, the people of the town showed an incredible resilience. Help the channel grow by liking, sharing, and subscribing.